Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you clear browsing history on iPhone. So guys, to clear browsing history on iPhone, there are two ways you can clear browsing history. You can clear your Safari browsing history and your Google Chrome browsing history. So to clear Safari, go to settings, scroll down, and here you can see Safari, click on it. Again scroll. Here you can see clear history and website data, click on it. Now just select the time range and after that click the bottom clear history. Now to clear Google Chrome browsing history and data, just go to Google Chrome. Now after that click the bottom right side, this three dot icon. Scroll here and here you can see history, click on it. In the bottom left side here you can see delete browsing data, click on it. Now in the top here you can select time range. Just select the time range and just delete the data. To delete it, click the bottom delete browsing data and click on delete browsing data again. And by doing this you can just clear browsing history on iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.